Good morning, students. 7th class science. We have started chapter number 4, heat. Today we will read our next topic, hot and cold. That day I have told you about heat. What is heat? Heat is sensation of warmth. And I have given you some examples of heat also. And what are the units of heat? There are two types of units of heat, non-SI unit, SI unit. Non-SI unit which calorie, kilocalorie, and SI unit of heat is joule. Today we will read our next topic, hot and cold. In our daily life we come across many objects we are touching in our daily life. Some objects are cold and some objects are hot, like ice, that is cold, fruit juice, that is cold, and some objects are hot like tea, coffee, that are hot. Generally, by touching any object we can tell the object is hot or the object is cold, but only with touching we can't give an idea that how much the object is cold or how much the object is hot. Like, see this activity. To find out if our sense of touch can give us a reliable judgment about hotness or coldness, means only by the sense of touching our sense of touching is not always accurate, not always telling us that the object is hot or cold. See this activity. Here we have taken 3 bowls. Bowl A, in bowl A we have taken ice cold water, very cold water. In bowl B we have taken hot water, and in bowl C we have taken lukewarm water. Lukewarm water means which is neither so hot or nor so cold. Firstly, what we will do, one hand you will put in bowl A, in which water is very cold, and other hand you will put in bowl B, in which water is very hot. Now both of you will take out your both of hands and put your both of hands in bowl C, in which lukewarm water is there. What we will observe? Firstly, which thing I have told you, dip fingers of your right hand in bowl A, in which ice cold water is there, and left hand in bowl B, in which hot water is there, for 2 or 3 minutes. Now remove your fingers from bowl A and B and dip together in bowl C, which I told you now. Notice the feel of touch of on the fingers of your left and right hand. What you will feel? Your right hand will feel that water in bowl C, that is warm, but your left hand will feel that water in bowl C, that is cold. Our sense, so we can say that our sense of touch is not reliable in finding out the degree of hotness or coldness. Our next topic is temperature. Now, what is temperature? When we touch any object, either the object is hot or the object is cold. When you take an ice cream, it appears cold. When you will take a sip of hot cup of tea, then it appears hot. What makes the things appear cold and hot? How can you say the thing is hot or the thing is cold? The sensation of hotness or coldness, that depends on the flow of heat. It depends on the flow of heat. By measuring the heat of any object, then we can tell the object is hot or the object is cold. When heat flows from object to our body, then it appears hot. Like we have taken the example of tea or soup, hot soup. Soup is hot, then the hotness of that object means hotness of soup will flow from object to our body, because we are drinking that soup, the hotness of soup will go, it will move from object to our body. Then what we will say, the object is hot. That line is written there. When heat flows from object, which object we have taken here? Soup. Means when heat flow from soup to our body, then it appears to be hot. When heat flows from our body to object, which object here? Ice. Heat flows from our body to object, then it appears to be cold. So what is the temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness, means how much the object is hot or how much the object is cold. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object on some chosen scale, that is called its temperature. You can underline this. This will be the definition of temperature. So an object appears hot if the temperature is higher, the object will be hot. Object appears hot. If the temperature is less, then the object appears cold. And how we are measuring the temperature? The temperature of an object is measured with an instrument. Which instrument? Thermometer. What we are using to measure the temperature? Thermometer. Thermo means heat and meter means a device. Thermometer means a device which is used to measure the heat. That device is called thermometer. Next topic is temperature scales. There are 3 types of temperature scales. First is Celsius scale. To that also we can say centigrade scale. Second is Fahrenheit scale, and third is Kelvin scale. In our common use, we are using a Celsius scale to measure the temperature. Like doctors are measuring the temperature with the help of a Celsius scale thermometer. Which thermometer doctors are using? That is Celsius scale thermometer. Celsius scale temperature was designed by Anders Celsius. Who designed the Celsius scale temperature? Anders Celsius. This is the name of the scientist. On this scale of temperature, here how we are writing the temperature in form of Celsius scale, in form of degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. This way we are writing. It is the metric scale of the temperature. The lower fixed point of the Celsius scale is 0 degree, means minimum temperature it can measure 0 degree Celsius, and upper fixed point means higher temperature it can measure 100 degrees Celsius. Means how much temperature it can measure from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Neither less than 0 or nor more than 100. In between 0 and 100 it can measure the temperature. The interval between the 2 points is divided into 100 equal division. Means in between 0 to 100 there are 100 divisions are there. The unit division means 1 division. Unit division on this scale corresponds to the temperature equal to 1 degree Celsius. Means 1 division, see here, 1 division is equal to 1 degree Celsius. 2 division, 2 degree Celsius. 3 division, 3 degree Celsius. This way total 100 divisions are there, 100 lines are there. Presently doctor's thermometer, that is also marked on the Celsius scale, means which now doctors are using thermometer, clinical thermometer which we are saying, that is also based on the Celsius scale. Thank you.